How do you spell your name?
O spell Billy.
How do you spell Lucy?
O spell Billy.
You want to spell Billy? How do you spell your name?
L U C.
L. How do you spell your name?
Five.
What? 5. How do you spell your name? Spell your name.
Piglet. L U C Y.
Yay! Do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay!
It's again.
You do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay, Lucy!
It's again.
Do it again.
L U C Y.
Yay! High five.